Hi folks, it's Switchback. This video is about Leave No Trace principle number 6, which is respect wildlife. All of this information is available at lnt.org, which is the website for the Leave No Trace organization. Anytime that you're observing an animal that's not a threat to you, stay quiet and keep a distance. If you're in a large group, it's more likely to disturb the animal, so consider breaking up into smaller groups. Quick movements and loud noises can disturb animals and stress them out. Stressed animals lose their ability to withstand their environments, especially if they live in harsh conditions. Don't touch, pick up, pursue, or feed any animals out in the wild. Also, try to avoid making them flee. If you see a sick or wounded animal, be sure to notify the game warden or the ranger. Be sure to store your food securely, such as in a bear canister or bear box. If you're in the desert, avoid watering holes at night. Swimming in rivers and lakes is okay, but if water is scarce, and especially in arid environments, avoid getting into water sources. Be sure to keep an eye out for the final video in this series, which is be considerate of other visitors. I hope you found this helpful. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye.